Thank you. Like the record to reflect that Councilwoman English did reach out to me and she is on her way, but is experiencing traffic delays. Next item on the agenda is number 2, adoption of the agenda. Do we have any changes, Administrator Brown?
No recommended changes, Madam Chair.
Thank you. I'll entertain a motion.
Move to approve.
Second.
Motion and a second. Any discussion? Madam Clerk?
Brenham,
Yes.
Pugh,
Yes.
Livingston,
Yes.
Teratio,
Yes.
Weaver,
Yes.
Barron,
Yes.
Mackey,
Yes.
Newton.
Yes.
Motion approved.
Thank you. Next is item 3, our public hearing. A joint public hearing pursuant to South Carolina Code Amendment 4-37-30A2 relating to the referendum to be held at the general election on November 5th, 2024 on the question of the imposition of a special sales and use tax to fund certain transportation needs of Richland County, South Carolina. This public hearing is now open. Vice Chair Pugh, do we have any individuals that signed up to speak this evening?
Madam Chair, we have 2 individuals who signed up to speak, both in favor of the referendum. When I call your name, if you can approach the podium, state your name and address for the record, and you have 2 minutes to speak. The first person is Betty George. Gregory, I'm sorry.
Good afternoon, and thank you. I just wanted to, my name's Betty Gregory. Really, I just want to thank
Ms.
County
Gregory,
Council.
can you give us your address, please, ma'am?
1211 Adja Road, Columbia, 29205.
Thank you, ma'am.
Absolutely. Just wanted to thank Richland County Council for all the work you all went into to understand that we needed to extend the penny that we now have, that understanding that without having that we will not be able to fund the roads that we need, or definitely not be able to fund comment. So thank you for your efforts. I totally support the referendum. I'm grateful that it is on the ballot, and I'm grateful to you all for making that happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Gregory. Next, we have Mr. Hayward Bannister. Mr. Bannister, if you can approach the podium, state your name and address for the record, and you have 2 minutes to speak, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Hayward Bannister, and I reside at 2206 Lincoln Street, Columbia, South Carolina, 29201. I too want to give special thanks to the council for having the courage to allow the citizens of Richland County to decide whether they want to keep the penny program or to end the penny program. And so I want to thank you for allowing the citizen to make that decision. And I just want to say thank you again for all your services. And I want to yield the rest of my time.
Thank you, Mr. Bannister. Madam Chair, that concludes everyone signed up to speak for those items.
Thank you. This public hearing is now closed. Next item on the agenda, adjournment.
Move to adjourn.
Second.
The motion is second. Madam Clerk?
Brenham,
Yes.
Pugh,
Yes.
Livingston,
Yes.
Teratio,
Yes.
Weaver,
Yes.
Barron,
Yes.
Mackey,
Yes.
Newton.
Yes.
Motion approved.
Meeting adjourned. Thank you.